Good morning, students. How are you? Dear students, we are studying the story The Tiger King, and previously we have studied that the king of Pratibandhupuram spoke at the age of 10 days at his time of birth and asked the prophets about his manner of death. He was told that he would be killed by a tiger. So he decided to kill all the tigers up to the number of 100 from his estate so that there would be no danger of death with a tiger. Now he is continue hunting. Continue the story. At another time, he was in danger of losing his throne. A high-ranking British officer visited Pratibandhupuram. He was very fond of hunting tigers and fonder of being photographed with the tigers he had shot. After some time, a British officer came to visit Pratibandhupuram and he was very fond of hunting tigers and also to take photographs and post on social media with the dead body of tiger. As usual, he wished to hunt tiger in Pratibandhupuram, but the Maharaja was firm in his resolve. He refused permission. I can organize any other hunt. You may go on a boar hunt. Boar hunt means होता है hunt of a wild pig. You may conduct a mouse hunt. We are ready for a mosquito hunt, but tiger hunt, that's impossible. As you already know that tiger hunt in Pratibandhupuram was impossible for everyone except the king. So it was also banned for the officer, but the king was also afraid about that if he would make him angry, then he would be punished, and in the punishment it may be done that he would be deprived of his estate. The British official secretary sent word to Maharaja through the Diwan that the Durai himself didn't have to kill the tiger. Durai is the word used for that British officer. ये जो दुराई वर्ड है ये ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर के लिए यूज़ हुआ है. राजा ने मना तो कर दिया है ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर को कि यहाँ पर मेरे सिवा कोई शिकार नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन उसे इस बात का डर भी है कि अगर मैं इसको मना कर दूंगा तो मेरा राज्य मुझसे हड़प लिया जाएगा. Maharaja could go to the actual killing. What was important to the Durai was a photograph of himself holding the gun and standing over the tiger's carcass, means at the dead body of tiger.
5-7 की एप्लीकेशन.
The person said that, officer said that I did not want just to kill the tiger. I just want photograph with the tiger. Your king may kill the tiger, but I would have a photograph on its body. ऑफिसर कहता है कि मुझे टाइगर को मारने का कोई शौक नहीं है, मैं तो सिर्फ एक फ़ोटोग्राफ उसकी बॉडी पर, उसकी डेड बॉडी पर खड़े होकर बंदूक को डालकर लेना चाहता हूँ. Because he prevented a British officer from fulfilling his desire, the Maharaja stood in danger of losing his kingdom itself. The Maharaja and the Diwan held deliberations over this issue. As a result, a telegram was dispatched forward to a famous British company of jewelers in Calcutta, sent samples of expensive diamond rings of different designs. अब ऑफिसर को लगता है, ऑफिसर के रिप्लाई पर राजा को लगता है कि अगर मैं ऐसा करूँगा तो मेरे लिए और भी खतरा हो सकता है, क्योंकि मैंने उसको मना तो कर दिया है. तो उसको खुश करने के लिए डायमंड कंपनी को डायमंड की रिंग्स का ऑर्डर भेजता है कि कुछ सैम्पल डायमंड रिंग्स के भेजे जाएँ. Some 50 rings arrived. Maharaja sent the whole lot to the British officer's good lady. The king and the minister expected the Durai Sani. Durai Sani is the wife of the British officer, word used for her, to choose 1 or 2 rings and send the rest back. Within no time at all, the Durai Sani sent her reply, "Thank you very much for your gifts." 50 samples of rings arrived, and the king sent all these samples to the wife of British officer to select out any 1 or 2 or 3 of her choice. But after seeing all the designs, the lady sent the reply, "Thank you for the gift," means she has received all those 50 samples of rings, of diamond rings, just as a gift. In 2 days, a bill for 3 lakh of rupees came from the British jewelers. After 2 days, a bill was received of 3 lakh for all the rings. And now students, you can realize, as to someone you have sent the gift of 3 crores and he has not selected 1 of them or 2 of them or 3 of them, he has taken all of them. In the same way, the king was surprised and he had to pay the bill of 3 lakh. जैसे आज के टाइम में अगर आप किसी को गिफ्ट भेजे वो सारों को ही रख ले, सेलेक्ट करने का तो कोई ऑप्शन नहीं, तो सारी डायमंड्स रिंग्स हैं तो उसकी वाइफ सारे ही डायमंड्स रिंग रख लेती है और 3 लाख रुपए का बिल राजा को पे करना पड़ता है. लेकिन अपने राज्य को बचाने के लिए और अपनी प्रतिष्ठा को बचाने के लिए वो ये बिल भी पे करता है। पर उसकी एक ही जो जुनून था वो ये था कि अपने स्टेट के सारे टाइगर्स को मुझे ही मारना है, जिससे कि मेरे 100 टाइगर्स का टारगेट जल्दी से पूरा हो जाए। इतना पढ़ेंगे चैप्टर को, इसके बाद हम बाकी वर्क कंप्लीट करेंगे। ओके स्टूडेंट्स।